She was tired, worn out from a double shift. Her feet ached. As she waited for the bus, a young man approached. He held out a single, bright sunflower. "Have a beautiful day," he said with a kind smile. Her weariness seemed to melt away. She clutched the flower, her heart full. This simple act of kindness, this small connection, changed her entire outlook on a difficult day. We often underestimate the power of small gestures, a smile, a helping hand, a listening ear. These are the threads that weave compassion into the fabric of our lives. Kindness doesn't require grand gestures. It lives in the everyday moments where we choose empathy over indifference. Imagine this: a man helps an elderly woman carry her groceries. This act of kindness inspires her grandson, who witnesses it, to help a classmate struggling with a heavy backpack. This is the ripple effect of kindness, spreading outwards, touching countless lives in ways we may never fully realize. Kindness transforms us from the inside out. When we choose to act with kindness, we cultivate empathy, gratitude, and a sense of purpose. Volunteering at a local soup kitchen, for example, can shift our perspective, reminding us of the abundance in our own lives and the importance of giving back. And what happens when kindness becomes a collective effort? Communities bloom, neighbors connect, differences fade as we work together for a common good. A neighborhood comes together to clean up a local park, fostering a sense of unity and shared responsibility. Small acts, multiplied by millions of people, create a tidal wave of change. Each one of us has the power within us to make the world a kinder, more compassionate place. Let's choose kindness, not just today, but every day. Offer a smile, lend a helping hand, listen with your heart. You never know how profoundly your actions might touch another soul. Start small. Start today. Our world needs your kindness.